Hello, how are you? This is the video for explanation the code, how to the code operate and how to run the code and explain each statement in this code. The first thing, as we sent to you, we have two system. We tested on the two system, IEEE 33 and IEEE 69. So when we open any system, we have also 6 files. The first file is the base case. The second file is the ASO algorithm, LGA algorithm, hybrid between NOA and PSO. The NOA only for IEEE 33 and also PSO. This is the 6th file, and the same thing in the 1969 pass IEEE. We want to start it with the base case. The base case, this is the base case that is not any optimization, only we take it the system like this. We take it the line data and the load data, as you see here. So the load data is mean that each bus has a real power like this. This is the column for the real power, and this is the column for the reactive power. So this is the load data bus, and the other thing for 33 buses, and this is the real and reactive power. This is the load data, and the second thing is the line data. This is that means the number of line. The first column, second column is the sending end, and the third is the receiving end, and this is the line. What is the reactive, resistance of the line, and the reactance of the line. So the load bus is talk about the load in that bus, and the line data is the specification of the line and from where to where, and the resistive and the reactance power. And after that, we have Excel file, and you have two Excel files. The first one is the hourly load profiles, as you see here, the hourly load profiles, and the second file, it is the wind PV profile. Hourly load profile, I mean that how the load it is be in the whole the system. As you see, it is try to open, but we can maybe open from AS. We try to open that maybe in the Excel. This be good data on here, and we also if you open that on the Excel file, you can see here the Excel file contains the hourly load profile. This is the hourly load profile for each buses. As you see here, for IEEE, this is the load data for each hours for as you see here, for 8,761 and 61 because we have a title. So first in the first row. So this is the number of hours in the year. So here we have a profile for the load for each buses for the whole year, hourly by hour. And the second thing is the wind PV profile also. This is the wind and the PV profile, as you see here, capacity factor. That means the percentage from the capacity factor. That means the percentage of power from the capacity for the solar and for the wind, and also for 8,761 for the whole years. As you see here, we have the load profile, we have capacity factor for the wind and the PV also. And after that, if you return back to the MATLAB, we have also base case. the base case is the main function. So as you see here and there, this is the load flow. The base case is the main function. We define some parameters for the base case. In the base case scenarios, in the